Are you looking for assistance with fire damage restoration in Loveland? All Phase Restoration is a full-service restoration company offering fire damage restoration in Loveland and its surrounding cities since 2003. We understand the difficulties that come with fire damage, losing priceless items, including family photos, collectibles, antiques, and that's only the beginning of what needs to be dealt with. As fire damage restoration specialists, we know that when you have fire damage, time is of the essence. You want nothing more than to get your life back on track. It is our goal to clean and restore your structure back to an odor-free, pre-loss condition as fast and efficiently as we can. We utilize state-of-the-art techniques, equipment, and monitoring procedures to complete our work. We offer emergency service 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. You can bet on us to take care of you every step of the way with quality care, tips, and guidance on what steps to take next. We value each relationship we forge in the local community. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and take pride on our personal touch and professionalism. So, if you're searching for a fire damage restoration company in Loveland, look no further. We can help you now. Call us today at 970-235-2696 or visit us at www.aprestoration.com.